Downloading movies can be a bit frustrating or a complete turnoff when using regular websites where you have to wait through countdown timers, pop-ups, and redirects before you even get the actual download link. But what if you could skip all that and download the video in seconds just by typing a simple command on your Windows PC? Here's how to set it up and use it. Step 1. Right-click on your Windows Start menu and select Terminal. Step 2. Type Wingit install YTDLP and hit Enter. This installs YTDLP on your system. Step 3. After installation, type YTDLP space video link. For example, you can paste a YouTube video link there and press Enter. Your video will start downloading immediately. Just make sure your internet connection is stable. If you have a long playlist, you could also download the entire thing by simply pasting the playlist link instead. Follow TechLoy for more tech guides like